Come take a ride with Gypsy. All right, this one's for water signs, full moon in Leo. Your guys' energy is all over the place. I'm feeling a lot of anxiety. And you guys having a hard time getting shit done. Let's see what the cards have to say for you. So, for Cancer, feed your soul the comfort it needs. Pisces, awaiting doom causes disease. Scorpio, be happy for other people's achievements. I feel collectively you guys are having a hard time counting your blessings or being so close to the finish line. There's a sabotage energy here. It's like, get it together, get it together. You don't get it together. Say that 3 times fast. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. God damn it, I knew that fucking card was gonna come out. 4 cups, man. Somebody is just so freaking worried all the time. All the time, you know, and this particular moon just might have you extra stressed out during this time. I feel like somebody is literally going over all of their accomplishments and finding ways to discredit how far they've actually come. There's a lot of growth here, like an insane amount of growth, but I also feel there's a lot of emotions that are creeping up during this time frame. You know, maybe these are things that you need to deal with so you can properly release them. I feel like somebody's viewing a situation that they don't want to see or don't want to see clearly. Somebody feels like they messed up in a certain situation and they don't know how to fix it. I feel like there's extended apologies here with something that's completely out of their hands. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Retracted offer. Or somebody offered something that wasn't theirs to offer. Five of Wands. Man, I don't know if you're just fighting with yourself or if you're fighting with an actual group of people, but I'm hearing disadvantage. The Devil. Somebody is obsessing about another person or a situation, like I said, that is literally out of their control. As somebody needs to let go of this control energy, because I'm hearing that it's actually causing delays in the good things that you have. There's a call to action here. The Empress. I feel like somebody is having to rely on a female energy to take charge in a certain situation, that only this person can do something specifically for this other person. For some of you, this is learning how to be a team. Yeah. Why is it in reverse? The Nine of Pentacles. Some of you, you're getting swept off your feet. That's sweet. Somebody just might be having a bad day, man. Queen of Pentacles. Somebody needs to do some grounding. Somebody feels like a situation is shaky. There's a frantic energy here and being bound to things that have nothing to do with their current situation. This can just be old situations coming in to mess up your happy situation. Yeah. 5 of Cups. 2 of Pentacles. Somebody has worked so hard on something and afraid of losing an opportunity. Let's see. Do the Gilded Tarot. Let me see what's going on. There's a lot of, okay, so 4 of Cups and the 4 of Swords, you know, and with the Knight of Swords, I feel like things are moving very fast for this group of people, and there's no slowing down, or at least somebody's being told not to slow down to fix a situation so it doesn't fall apart. Nine of Cups and the 4 of Cups. Let me pull one more. Okay. For some of you, you're planting seeds for the future. For another group of you, this is pregnancy. There's an energy here that somebody's getting their parade rained on, though. Or somebody feels like they're not going to get what they want. There's a begging energy here. Yeah. And somebody's just not with it. 2 of Swords and the 5 of Pentacles. There's an unsupported energy here. The 5 of Pentacles, you know, can talk about a cold shoulder, you know, being out in the cold, or somebody just blatantly not agreeing with things that you have going on for yourself. And if you're finding it hard to have people be happy for you, I'm not really quite sure why you're sharing your good news with people that are raining on your parade. Like, that, I feel like somebody's asking somebody for approval and they're not getting it. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, and that's here twice. For some of you, this is a karmic situation. Or somebody awaiting karma. Or somebody actively dealing with karma. I feel like somebody keeps trying to push another person away out of conflict. And then somebody reeling them back in. Again, sabotage energy. Or somebody actively engaging in situations that are just leading to negative outcomes. I feel like somebody is trying to have, hang on. There's just an unsupported energy here. 4 of Cups and the Devil. And you already had that. It's a wishy-washy energy. Being chained to how other people feel. Or not allowing yourself to be happy because of the opposing energy. I feel like somebody's ancestors are pissed. about the direction things have gone for you. For Tower. There's something about to fall apart. Okay. For some of you, this is the opposing forces actively working against you, or having a negative mind frame and creating your own downfall. Hang on. For some of you, this is just coming into news that is just making you uncomfortable. And the suggestion here to be happy for other people and not be bitter about what you don't have. It feels like envy. Nine of Swords next to the Empress. What is this? Dude, somebody's got an insane amount of anxiety, like crippling. I feel like somebody needs to do some meditation, some grounding, possibly some energy work. For some of you, there's an attachment involved that needs to be let go. And the only way you can, release that attachment is to become aware of its presence and what it's tied to. For some of you, it's past trauma. For others of you, it's it's an inability to be happy for other people, or again, sabotage energy. This might come from, a group of you that have worked so hard to get to where you want to be and almost reaching the finish line and thinking it's going to fall apart. Six of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Somebody feels somebody else having something somehow takes something away from them. That's actually quite incorrect. When you're happy for people who gain things that you're looking to acquire, the universe will bless you, for being happy, for this person. Because if you're stuck in an energy of, I want that, or, this other person is undeserving, like it's incorrect. Like, you can't expect to be blessed by taking away somebody else's happiness. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I feel like somebody's cutting themselves loose from this other person because they're aware of the negative aspects, actually. With the Eight of Swords involved, this can talk about, stop worrying, with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. It's like, what you can't control, let go. I feel like things are, going to work out in somebody's favor, and they just need to allow it to happen. Two of Pentacles in reverse and the Queen of Swords. This is that negative mindset, that negative thinking. For some of you, maybe it's just not your turn yet, is what I'm hearing. Oof. Ten of Swords. Somebody's awaiting betrayal or being cut out. I feel like For some of you, it's waiting for bad news and actually getting good news. Or for some people, their good news is your bad news, unfortunately, is what I'm hearing. Yeah. I feel like somebody might have given their power away to another person. And this might be why there's this doom energy here. Like, take back your power, you know what I mean? Like, regain control. Let's see. Too many. Can I have one final card, please? One final card, please. Okay. The moon. Powerful, intuitive epiphanies. Letting go of worry and fear. Understanding the truth of a situation. Okay, for some of you, I think you guys just might be feeling a majority of the effects from the moon and having that negative, mindset, and this is your 2022. If you're coming into some bad news, there should be some balance in it for this year. Look for the good news. Even when people call you with their good news, you can certainly, use this as say, well, that's my good news too, even if, you had bad news previously. It's just a great way to shift your mind frame to help you get through, whatever painful situations that you're actually, dealing with. Again, I feel like some of you are just dealing with a lot of anxiety during this particular moon energy, and you're uncomfortable. You're uncomfortable. Get some comfort food, sit down and watch a movie, and put your feet up and ride out the wave. That's all I got for you, Gypsy out.